In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Vue Cinema. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to be heading over to Google. And now in the Google search box here, I'm going to type in Vue Cinema promo code. And now once you've done that, you'll be brought to Google search results. And if we scroll down here, we can check out any one of these third-party sites to get promo codes for Vue Cinemas. So you've got voucher.discount, Playpennies, vouchercodes.co.uk. But the one I like to use is from don'tpayfull.com. So 20% off Vue Cinema discount codes. So it's going to redirect me to their website. And once we're on the website, they'll have a whole list of different offers as well. So if we can scroll down, you can see the different offerings that they have. These do change daily, weekly, or monthly. So be sure to check them out at later dates. And another thing that you need to take in consideration, they do expire. So for this code here, I'm just going to click onto it and it says 20% off any order. So what we need to do is copy this order and paste this at the checkout section of Vue Cinemas to enjoy your 20% off your order.